Hey everybody, Carl Schoof here from CreativeCodingClub.com, and I tell my students all the time that, I can spoon feed them lessons and tips and tricks all day long, but this stuff is only going to help you if you actually put in some time and practice. And that's why I love giving my students these web animation challenges, alright? They may look very easy at first, and maybe they are for you, but each one of them requires you to know just a little bit about sequencing, timing, easing, staggers, and all the fun basics. So I invite you to take a little stab at these challenges and see how you do. I'll have all the starter files below for you. Good luck! The outer loop challenge will test your basic sequencing abilities. Let me just scrub back to the beginning here, and we're going to start with the blue box up top. It's going to move across to the right, then drop, move to the left, and here the slightly tricky part is that when we get close to the top, it's going to start fading out, okay? So just a little bit of a test of your timeline building and use of the position parameter. Moving on to stagger drop, you'll see the three blue boxes drop to the middle and then move to the bottom. Again, you'll be using a timeline for sequencing, but here we'll add in a little bit of a stagger, but you'll also have to use the right ease so that the boxes will overshoot their landing position when they first come in, and then move up before they move down. Off the cliff challenge is really going to test your sequencing abilities. It may look simple, but you're really going to have to get the timing right so that the box will start to rotate as soon as it reaches the end. And I have a little bit of forward momentum still going. And then when you get to this part here, you'll need to have the right ease so that the box accelerates as it falls, and clearly it will come to an abrupt stop. So for challenges like this, I find GS Dev Tools is very important to get all the timing of the different animations lined up perfectly. So take a shot at these challenges and grab the starter files below. Good luck!